Hello students, hope you're having a joyful learning. Let's continue our study with fiber to fabric chapter. Today we'll be studying about the next natural fiber, that is the coir. Coir is obtained from coconut plant. In coconut plant, the coconut is removed and the edible parts, that is the eatable parts, is removed, and what remains is that the strong fibrous material which is found between this the cushion of the car or trucks, the seat covers are filled with this coir. These are the different products which you can make with coir. Sri Lanka and India, which are neighboring countries, are 90% of the coir is produced in these two countries. Next, we'll look at some other plant fibers. That is, first one is the hemp plant fiber. This is similar to jute. There's from stem it is obtained, and they are also soaked in water, and then long strands are obtained, and it is used to make ropes and nets. Next is the flax plant fiber. This is comparatively stronger, yes, compared to the what you call it, cotton, and it is soft. It's also called as linen. If you've seen linen clothes, you can understand the softness of this fiber. High quality paper also can be made with this flax. And those tea bags what you get, you dip, those bags are made with this fiber. The cloth is made by weaving flax, is called as linen. Again, flax plant fiber is also called as linen. The next plant fiber is the silk cotton. Its common name is silk cotton. You get it from a plant called kapok. Like cotton, in this also the seed bearing fruit ruptures in by the process of shearing with certain clippers. The method of removing this wool from the sheep is called as shearing. After shearing, wool is packed into bales. It is then cleaned, combed, and dried, and then the wool will not be having specific color. So if you want a specific color, You have to dye it, that is, provide a artificial color to it, and then spun or weaved into fabric. Wool, it is fluffy, it can retain air. Means the air can be trapped in it. That's why when you wear this woolen clothes, your body is trapped inside your body only. Therefore, you feel warm. Air is bad conductor of heat. Wool has the property of retaining heat. Your body heat will be left in the fire, the fabric made of this wool. Therefore, you feel warm and you wear this clothing in winter and in the cold areas. Australia is the leading producer of wool. India is among top 10 wool producing countries. The next is the silk fiber. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. Then, what is the silkworm? This is a silkworm. What it does is feeds on this mulberry leaves. What it is eating is nothing but the mulberry leaves. Then it secretes a raw thread and spins it around itself. That's how the the caterpillar starts spinning the cocoon around itself, which looks like this. After it has spun it around itself, those cocoons are taken and boiled in water in order to kill the caterpillar. After the cocoon is boiled in water to kill the silkworm, then the cocoon is unwound to get silk fiber. The dead caterpillar is removed out of the cocoon, and they use the cocoon to obtain the silk fiber. The process of cultivating these silk moths is called as sericulture. If you have observed, silk fabric is a little costlier because of this whole process what it undergoes. And upon that, it's also cruel. If you see, a living organism is killed in order to get something, right? So many people do not prefer using this silk. This was first started when in China, and then it came to India, and so on. It started moving to the other parts of the world. The route that it has taken from China to the other parts of the world, that is called as the silk routes or silk route, ROUT, not ROT, route, silk route. So this was about the animal fibers, the wool and silk. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.